it's my mother's birthday, so we're about to head to a restaurant to celebrate. A lot has been going on, and you know, it's have been very hard for our family. My brother got into well, they're trying to frame my brother, and then my grandmother passed away, and then I'm sick. It's just a lot going on right now, but we want her to enjoy her birthday, so we're gonna take her out for dinner. I'll give you guys a story time of what happened with my brother and you know, all of that stuff, but for now I just want to enjoy the moment, and that's about it. So come along with me. We're here, we're about to go upstairs, and this is the birthday lady. Hi. Hi.
This is what the lady husband.
This is not my first time in here, so I have no idea what we're supposed to do. Huh? I have Vino Tino. Like, I've always wanted to come here, never been, so yeah. Good night. Oh, the view is beautiful. Let's talk about it. Like, let's talk about the view. The view is one, literally. Oh my goodness. Happy birthday to